disrespect to womanhood.
Obi to me who ni colleague no than the sabon to feel say you normal. And you normal.
And you know, since she talk at some place, she say Chris Brown will cry. Yes, sir. Yo, 2 days ago, Chris Brown this stage where they kiss somebody for stage. Incredible ignorance, any primitive thinking.
Ebusiam Tokobi after te obedience between AMG Medikal, Yeboah, and Sammy Rasta. Nina Efa Nyåsh Pressing. Almost just a Medikal akomiato. Medikal si omiato is a media and Rebusia. Ajiwum, Medikal, go pai, will drag or Kabipa. Yeboah, and Sam Rasta. Efan Samoa, what in a peace FM, Ever Kai. In this video, what my boss said, Mamma had a CEO, H0T a black Medikal echoye, that told me, and as we from more beef no. There will be a aircan. I have Penyah block media. Let's watch any day. Over like this video, no other one. Subscribe button and snap a click on notification for this updates. Now better the wide their mama ever comments. Sponsor Baswa. Watch the video for any be asher. 8 weekends room and the medical go people safe room. Under the University, H0T. Now bring a bit air costo. Now there were 2 instances. Medikal any a mommy no be any encounter ever honor. The first encounter with a certain lady no. Lady in the only best side like I was the only lady in the so. I'm on 1,000 series as an uncle.
Watch what Medikal did till the end.
And what you know, and a different lady is a buy. Different bed or no bed or a high Medikal. Anybody can be some question. Say, do you have a boyfriend? Ladies, and hold on, I can say no. Later, I can say yes. And I say Medikal a hagging or hagging no. And I say, oh, me and the two Medikal, me and the Nyåsh. I say, oh, yeah, I know my lady in 1,000 cities. Now, video where no air pop up on the internet almost America. This is a pure sexual harassment. This is sexual harassment. This is what harassing lady no in terms of sex. A sexual harassment. And America be a life no James there be there, massa. Say must who are then and yes I see a camera change with the barmeno. Me hagen and me say I got tough from and I mean I got toward the torso. But I say, it be my hand way for the Nyåsh stop. But I know me at the Nyåsh. I know me at the Nyåsh.
Even the way I invite one of my fans on stage where I want to dance, and I found that she had a boyfriend, so I had to respect her and let her go. My friend did backstage, and I wasn't even looking, and then I saw the hang out my hand go for somewhere unintentionally. And a lot of people they read different meanings into what I'm saying. I depressed the guy in Nyåsh, you know. They're quite a chuchu niggas. We're gonna stop that nonsense because you people get turned about the least thing. And no go should I invite somebody can stay and present with us, what we want us. We're gonna stop that nonsense. I don't move like that. You understand? West Ham way when sexual harassment, I respect everybody equally. Male, female, emails, everybody. I respect everybody. I beg you, especially my fans. I don't joke with my fans. So stop trying to spread the wrong narrative. You know what I mean?
I said, Medikal says, oh no, he know me had the Nyåsh. The Nyåsh, he no press him, but he been hard way for the Nyåsh stop. Ne sakeke, the got taught one is about no longer said, where me say take. I was Medikal. Young girl, Sabby, now but the young was for. And two you went me, Vegas, you massa, Memia, Massa, Memia. Moninia, so when you go to Swabo, when you glaucoma, Monkosha glasses, Monkosha sunglasses, of who had the I would never make me up to or not. But wait there, it was a every video that Medikal will be here. And wait there, video, yeah, Medikal be here. What is it? Now, this issue, no, and then Sammy Rasta, and MCI, what Echo PM, Peace FM, no honor, Kobo Margin Pa, editor Medikal.
H0T Medical. And I must say, Namini Medikal so young to me or born but I damn Shia Brantiano. Menka say I fell in love with him more in terms of the personality because Sammy I see from who no kasa ni the way I know you know you can meet somebody and then you feel like that. And honestly, years down the line besine men shut down 1 year. And you see, I would be very naive to say that oh he's supposed to be like that because me say nipa de nipa sesa. But Samuel do frimpon who didn't say and we see a catcher. Sabin previous a woo Jimmy. And we see a tino. Share video ya a beto J and Kojo Kasano Kasa and Manom Harry sabin previous sound. Sawaba nam ho. Now was share hot pants and I said Sabio or share jeans string keke no nama and no chest or one quite so kusuni. Sawaba nam wana se Sabi was share tari and I no for a happy and now or share short dress be and now was she be a wo finding it sexually enticing. It doesn't give you any right. Who knew to me be a da? Say what's I would do with Sakoka Obano. I just say one kasa je Penyah ama ho kwan and no kra no wama ho kwan wo so ni mu no okache o se jaya e wo se wo jai ya ti empempi mema bi a accuse you of rape one much say it was consensual but in the act she asked me to stop emra sebi o wani abre a wo di djuma no ba ne kache o se jaya e wo se wo jai. And to this issue Medikal, as you see, you know, yes, me who say, oh, it's a fun now, our friend about stage and all of that. Yes, mubabe sa, mubabe yes. Who do one sa akumiya get on it? A ye difference, who do one sa because who do one sa about the Ubeboni say. Now, who miya dia was so added some little force be now to meet the miya. And tis the same way see. Now someone Obeba Bontinya Bema no ye to apologize to the girl first of all because ebia wo ba na said ya ni sunu ne ban kratia krano onye wo bia ebia we say obegina stage or yes sir enim guase e de be bre no ya another topic unless of course the girl doesn't see anything wrong with it, that is okay. But the fact that she doesn't see anything wrong with it doesn't mean that we don't see anything wrong with the act. It could be a mistake, but sir response someone would ya bay Sabio Sabin Prejasa a sen common cry. And I'm honestly disappointed in you. As artists, baby, I would do no career moon, baby, I would do stages I will for sana last year so go through stage and sempoto. And I was wondering, say Medikal, dear na air coso. As same way, Kawuba and Kebi over apologizing to the girl and even the people at the grounds and care to a chat. Anka in any serious country, Medikal, and I will find ourselves now quite yes, I can tell you for a fact. So we follow us Anka by this time in watch it too. By this time, Anka brand ambassadorial deals our work and Koma started pulling it down. By this time, Kona ko busa Chris Brown. Kobusa PDD mu. And then na yeti krom hana we think and that this thing it goes on now even company offices obi to me who ni colleague no de ne sabon to feel say you normal. And you normal. And don't sit here and make it look like Sabi woman for na de na ye kasa wa ye no wan ye and ye twa turo bi at all. So that was not what happened. Because if it was a mistake, clearly everybody could have seen it was a mistake. And you made the statement. And a JB boss who say, oh, yeah, sure, say, camera ni ha. And who do you think you are? I mean, let's make this clear. The fact that you are a celebrity doesn't mean that every woman wants you. Say, be a way ni pe be a won some wo be and how you be a way ni petitra and no chesa wo be a person di wachi. So don't make it look like because you are a celebrity, you think every woman will want to, throw themselves at you. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. You have a beautiful young girl growing up. I don't think say you will be happy if Ubako Jina stage Bisuna Sebi will be Mianetu in the name of Oyeme fan. Na onipani we are anu ya wadibabane sebi o ensena emfata. To try to gaslight Ghanaians and make it look like why nyenye de too. So Sammy, adie why? Why? I don't know. I don't know if you have a team you are working with or say you are riding solo. So they are. Bemena, clean up your act because you are messing up. You are messing up. For some of us, we owe your rapper beer. Sammy. Oh, rapepa me kai will freestyle be our yeah the two YouTube. Beautiful. I don't know what is happening to you now. You still have the talent, but you need to clean up your mess and act right. It doesn't just take talent to take you there. There are several artists or more talents so sebi your mon kwasi asem no mon sem hu no mo di yente no. And then no oma twia ba boche na be me ya. Se metina baby na mehu say Sammy baby anke wo se wudu no wo career mu no wanu. Unless of course as you say no say eh enyom 20 we no fa nya hwe dia. But please clean up your mess. This is getting out of hand. Your best show.
Mon fanche Medikal. Why na if we say fella jano 32 no e go so a 33 ba. Nti Mr. Mon fanche. Why abofra? He's a kid. Mon fanche. If I tell cry because see adia ya woman ya wo adia we mu nyina no enye say even people talking about it wo your friend say social media no but onu mo sa be di atem no sa atem didie na ode aba etwato no eno na me stress mo de mo fanchen because so nim de ya. And he feels he's in Africa, so harassment here there and for and shedan taking that serious. Say idea Medikal or America can by now can follow us and can watch it. Oh yes, I'm telling you, can watch it too. Kamani ina will unfollow him because this is total disrespect to womanhood. Total disrespect.
And even as a man, it's a respect to yourself to
just
be able to do this in public.
Time say why ye no nka de ka buani gusumpo ka buani gusu ni omokeka online no na ka de men ka hwe mpokra nka ho de wode asɛ na asɛm kra wasɛm we nyina ho ɛyɛ sa video no abɛyɛ de wode asɛ na asɛm ho ano ka de ka gyan mo omokeka online anaje obi obeka bi eti obi a but to come and tell us say to yen sa koda so anase yemia wa mia de no se on sa kota so ana sabi yani efra what so ade ni mu amia na genti na crowd no responding to what you did. And so Medikal, please, we all know you are going through a lot. Fella Jano Jano, it is a big blow to you and you are going through a lot, even though you pretend say when your new girlfriend and you are sitting, but still a show. Get a therapy, prepare a counselor, be now go through it because it's really making you inhuman. Adiana o yesesiano, it doesn't make you and for one see bema jinaye, bema o si pi jinaye. And I know it's all because of the divorce. And to go and get help. And yes, sir, the next thing to come, no. Well,
the Medikal who video when Sammy Rasta and MCI Yeboah, and also MCI Yeboah, oh, Medikal did to us here. They say, oh, pony fear didn't pony this straight. One can Medikal will pony tini. I don't say, massa. My make cry frame ya wo mommy din to us. How dare you MCI was over to go pony Obedi to say as if you're a small boy. How dare you?
It be common sense. Me friend Baba stage. Me person me in the south by the again. And they be a Sakoto baby. Now this is all boy. I say baby. No, I say baby all boy, right? I say yeah all boy. And I'm so what boy there? Then I respect that. I'm not going to, dance with you and disrespect your boyfriend because I respect, people. You understand?
Who do you think you are?
I say you're Charlie.
I mean, let's make this clear. The fact that you are celebrating doesn't mean that every woman wants you. Say me, I will say what be and how you in particular. Every chest of baby is what you achieve. So don't make it look like because you are a celebrity, you think every woman will want to, throw themselves at you. It doesn't work like that. And if you're wrong, it doesn't work like that. You have a beautiful young girl growing up. I don't think that you would be happy if you back on that stage you should not say you will be in the name of Oyemefan. Now, you can be a year on the said you and to try to gaslight Ghanaians and make it look like one and then they do so. Sorry, I mean, why? I don't know if you have a team you are working with or say you are riding solo, then clean up your act because you are messing up. You are messing up. For some of us, we go here and Sammy, who rap paper, the kind of freestyle we are getting on YouTube. Beautiful. I don't know what is happening to you now. You still have the time, but you need to clean up your mess and act right. It doesn't just take talent to take you there. There are several artists of more talent who said, and then we come out here about it, and the baby, 7 times, we say, Sammy, baby, I was to do carry on the way. Unless, of course, they say, and yet they don't show me the new foundation. But please clean up your mess. This is getting out of hand. The best show.
You hear the nonsense way she talk. And you know, say she talk at some place, she say, Chris Brown will cry, yes, sir. Yo, 2 days ago, Chris Brown did stage where they kiss somebody for stage. I don't know if you see that video. In Sammy, ignorance, any primitive thinking. It be common sense. Me friend Baba stage. Me person me in the south by the again. And they be a Sakoto baby. Now, because I saw boy, I say baby. No, I say he need therapy. I need therapy. You trust me. I won't watch what he did on the play. Only you. Where does me have therapy? No. Can I from bro? Can I from you? And you won't see. And I'm here. No. I promise me have therapy. I put it to you, say you do. One can from show and as a man. One can from show and as a man. Many have therapy. No, I should see it right here. Next week, they take picture and send you girls. You think, say, you go radio. I'm at the radio station. They don't get anything. Nothing. I will be put everybody when they're there on payroll every month. Make it deduct from my account. I know where we send. Yo. And so I don't know about who as a street Rasta man. Gentle Rasta. Medikal, Yeboah fighting my brother. Hey, we are our brother. Me last week in Miami. Last week alone 600,000. That's Sammy. Last week alone 600,000. Back to back. Next week we dey collect. 2 weeks we dey collect. 3 weeks. But every week we dey collect. If I give you one show at the play, it will change your life. Why I would just say, cum laude? Why I would just say cum laude? Now, film director, editor, producer, TV presenter, entertainment analyst. On why name 5? Me, Medikal, rapper. We should sweet. Me na mini me sharing tattoo, gangster. 3 million. Just a rapper. Block the account. You know me this. scum ass niggas really began to talk to you, wear yellow suits, yellow suits. Rasta man. Because that yellow suits. By this time, yellow suits, they video, you're bad in real life. Or not because what to say yellow suits got to watch it now. Yellow suits. You need my to watch it. Yeah. Timmy. One go call room. I know I say suits. I go this time say man show say I mean now and I will catch me say me mentally stable now me therapist. Who you trust him? Who you Budapest because who they spiritual. Go see there they have mind and heart say Medikal is small boy. You big you what to get? Big boy, then I walk. Show me what you get. Show me what you get. Now me trust me trip into 7, but what now? And before any share that taking that serious, say America or America by now can follow us from watching traders. What a man near sandwich, said there. Near son be choosy and I'll tell you Medikal is not mentally okay, no you're therapist. Masa, minimum dimpo. But these people they don't really, I don't even know them. Bro, minimum dim, but I swear to God say I get sense past you, I be mentally stable past you, I be financially stable past you. The person who I make disappointed in be this woman. Because this woman, then from afar. Then I think say I don't want to talk certain things because if I talk some way, I will sound disrespectful. But this woman in particular, I make very disappointed in her. This one.
Because I fell in love with him more in terms of his personality. Because say you receive from whom and Kasani, the way I know you can meet somebody and then you feel like that. And to be honest, years down the line, you see me shut down 1 year. And you see, I would be very naive to say that, oh, he's supposed to be like that because we said we had any passes. But somewhere different from who did see and we say a catcher. 7 years, a woochie. And we see a team.
About this year, a beer one 36, 5 buckets. Everyone, Abo, Obi government name, full name, Akasa, me, Jimmy. Oh, madam, this woman I shot for him because then I didn't like him, like, you know. But for you to come and sit on radio and call me a man like me, a fool or an idiot, they show say you don't get sense as a woman. Because what did you see online? You saw me hugging a female. That's it. Just that. You come online to come and say, Sammy to me. Hold on. Let me start again. 1 second.
Because I fell in love with him more in terms of his personality. Because say you receive from whom and Kasani, the way I know you can meet somebody and then you feel like that. And to be honest, years down the line, you see me shut down 1 year. And you see, I would be very naive to say that, oh, he's supposed to be like that because we said we had any passes. But somewhere different from who did see and we say a catcher. 7 years, a woochie. And we see a team. Share video, yeah, a better and Kojo Kasano Kasa and Madam Hardy, 7 previous sound. Some band now shout pants and I said, you wash and GHT and or Nana and you
just a walk back this year out to the Sogas and Benjamin. You're very foolish woman, you're very stupid woman, you don't get sense because what kind of message you want spread across the
what I say? It's Medikal to go quiet. Also, we can be quiet at Tracy Rasta. And MCI Yeboah, when you said, if no, we air because MCI Yeboah, they say, well, we plan and another China Saturday on United Showbiz. And how ana ebe kagum ye be ba no more fire de be si bia no metam abedwam e de ama ha ipina bro media background